Hello everyone and welcome to Odooistic channel. Welcome to another Odoo development tutorial. In today's session, we will discuss how to create a custom page for discounted products in Odoo. In other words, we will show you how to inherit a controller class. We will go through each file in the module, create new file, and then I will explain its purpose and how it contributes to the functionality. By the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of how this module works and how to create similar custom pages in your own projects. Let's get started. Before diving into the files, let me explain what a controller is and why it is important in Odoo. Controllers in Odoo are Python classes that handle HTTP requests. They define routes for custom URLs which allow us to render specific pages, process from submissions, or return data via APIs. Essentially, controllers act as the bridge between the backend logic and the front-end interface. In this tutorial, we are inheriting a controller class called website sale from the website_sale module. This allows us to reuse and extend the existing e-commerce functionality provided by Odoo. Specifically, we will adding a custom route /shop and /discounted that displays only discounted products. By the end of this session, we will understand how to inherit and extend an existing controller, fetch and filter data from the backend, like discounted products, render a custom web page using templates, add a menu item to make the page accessible to users. So let's start by looking at the module's manifest file. But before that, again, in simple words, I explained that we will create a page /shop/discounted route. So when we will click that, we will just see the products, all products which has discounted applied in the backend. And for that, we will add a field in product template form named as discount. So all the products which we will configure in the backend and apply any discount, we will be able to see in our front-end page. So let's start it. As you can see, I'm using Odoo 18. I show you in my settings. And as you can see here, Odoo 18 Enterprise Edition. I have installed Sales CRM, just normal modules, nothing special. And as usual, I'm using Visual Studio Code. Let me just close all these files which I was using before. Okay. So as you can see, I have in Odoo 18, I just have a custom folder which is empty at the moment. And we are going to create a new folder now named as discount products. Okay. In this folder, as usual, we will be creating two files at first. init.py, and then we will be creating another file which is manifest.py. Okay, so in this manifest file, we will be using models and we will be using controllers. Okay, and for that purpose, let's create models folder and also create controllers. Right. Okay, now let's talk about manifest file. So this is our manifest file. The first file we need to look at is the manifest.py file. This is the module's manifest file, which contains metadata about the module. First, the name of the module, which I have described, is discounted products. Then here we declare the dependencies for our module. We depend on the website underscore sale. So as you can see, this is website underscore sale module. Since we are customizing the shop functionality, that's why we need this module. This includes references to our XML files like views and menus. So here, the first file we will create product underscore views.xml file. Then we will be having website menu views, where we will have a menu on our website, and then website sale inherit template. So we will also create a custom template which will render and showing the discounted products on the front end. So rather than just using the already existing Odoo's template, we will create a new. In the meantime, you will also see how to create a template to use in front end. Right. And then in summary, we have a summary about this, a short summary about this module. We also have in description a bit more detailed functionality about this module, what this module does. This module allows users to set discounts on products and provides a custom route to display only discounted products on the front page, on the shop page. Features added discount fields to products. We will define a new field which will be called discount on the products, and then filter those products on the shop page. So this will be the functionality. So first of all, we have already defined the manifest file. Now let's define the product one now. So for that purpose, we will create a file. Let me just, okay. So this is a file which is product underscore template.py. And here we will be inheriting. So before that, also create another init. And here we will be product template. We will be referencing this file. We will be referencing this file. All right. So as you can see, we have inherited in this file, which is product.template. As you know, product.template is the table. Let me just show you what is product.template again, if you don't know. If you go in sales or purchase or wherever, if you click on products, so and click any product here, so you can see for that you need to activate the developer mode. And once you activate it, this is a product.template. This is a, if you go here and if you click on form view, so you can see this is product.template.product.form. And if you click on fields, so you can see, so these are all the fields in this database table. So we will create a field here. So the first line, as already you know, it's this module provides a base class model for defining Odoo models. All models must inherit from models.model here. And then fields, this module contains various fields type used to define columns in the database. Example include character, integer, float, but here we will be just using the float in this one. We are going to define a class, product template. This is a Python class that represents the model. By convention, the class name is in Pascal case. and then we inherit. This attribute specifies that we are extending the existing product.template model instead of creating a new one. So by inheriting product.template, we can add new fields or override existing methods to customize product behavior without modifying the core Odoo code. And then at last, we are adding a discount field. This line defines a new field called discount. And then we are calling string is equal to discount in percentage. This is the label of the field, which will be displayed in the UI. In this case, it's labeled as discount and in bracket percentage. And then default is 0.0. This sets the default value for the field 0.0. When a new product is created, this field will automatically have a discount of 0% unless otherwise specified. Right. So after that, we will be creating the next file. So we have already defined this. Okay, let's go in the views now. Let's create a new folder and we call it views. And in views, the first file which we will be creating the product views. Okay. The name of this file again, product_views.xml, and in manifest I have already given the reference of this file. So in this file, what I have done, this file customizes the product form view in the backend to include a new field for specifying discounts. And here is the code. Let's break it down. This creates a new record in the ir.ui.view model to extend the product form view. Refers to the base view product template only form view. This is the inherit. So how it is coming, let me just show you. So if I click here and if I go view form, so this is the external ID. So product_template_only form view. So that's what we are inheriting here. And then in expression / field and then name is product_tag_. So we are adding our field which is called discount after this field. So if you go in again that product page, and if you click on sales, you can see here there is a field called this one, product_tag_IDs. So I want under this field a new field which is called discount. So this file ensures that the backend interface is updated to manage discounts effectively. Okay. So these two files, now we have already got the product field on UI. So let's go towards the controller now. In controller, again, you need to add init.py, and in this controllers, we will be going to create a new file which is called discounted_products.py, and we will give this reference discounted products here. Okay, so controllers in Odoo are Python classes that handle HTTP routes and render templates. In this module, we created a controller to display the discounted products page. So this is the code for that. So let me break it down for you. So inheritance, the controller inherits from website sale. So as you can see, we are inheriting a controller, and this is website sale class, basically, which means it can extend the existing shop functionality. Let me show you again. If you can just, so this is our Odoo 18, and then we are in enterprise. And then if we go or just scroll down, I will show you a website_sale module, which is here, website_sale. And then if you go in controllers, or let me just search and I search website sale. So let me show you where this class is. Yes, so this is here. So this is the class website sale, which is inside, as you can see, Odoo 18, then enterprise, then websites underscore sale, then controllers, and then main.py. So this is, we are inheriting, as you can see in this line, from odoo.addons.websites.sale, and then go in controllers, and then main, and then from there we are importing website sale. I hope you have understood this. And then http.route. This is the route we are decorating, defines a custom URL /shop/discounted, which points to our page. And then products are, it fetches all the products with a discount greater than 0, as you can see in this code. And then we are rendering the template, which is this. So this is a new custom template, which we will be creating after this one. Okay, this is it. And then what we are doing, we are again creating a new file, which will be called website menu views. This one. So here, the name, the label of the menu item displayed to users. This will be the name, which will be discounted products. The URL that the menu items point to, defined by our custom controller route. This one. So once we click, once we will go in this page /shop/discounted, we will see that menu. And then parent underscore ID specifies that the menu item will appear under the main shop page. So if we will go in home page, then we will say, we will see this menu discounted products. And this file integrates the discounted product page into the website's navigation seamlessly. This is a sequence which will, I have just given 10. You can just change this according to your requirements. So this is another. And now the last thing we are going to create, we are going to create a template in our views file. So this is the template. Now, don't worry, I will explain this to you, that what I have done. So this is the template ID, the unique identifier for this template, which will be used in the controller to reference it. Name, a human readable name for the template, primarily for documentation and debugging, and I call it discounted products. Then we are inheriting the website layout. So as you can see, this in bracket, in tag T, and then T-call is equal to website.layout. So basically this line includes the standard website.layout, which provides a header, footer, and overall styling for the page. Then benefits of this, it ensures consistency across all pages on the website and saves time for reusing existing layouts. Then after that, main content wrapper. So basically in this div ID is equal to wrap, and class is this O_W sale products page. The unique identifier first we have defined, and then class specifies CSS classes for styling. So this class O_W w sale underscore products underscore page applies styles specific to products page. This wrapper contains all the page content. Sorry. And then after that, we are having div class text dash center mb dash 4. So displays a bold heading, exclusive discounted products. This is the heading for our template. This section introduces a page and provides context to the user. And then product, T if products. So purpose checks if the product's variable contains any data. Logic, if product exists, they are displayed in grid. Otherwise, a fallback message is shown. And then T for each products. So basically, I traits over the product's variable. And T as assigns each product in the list to the variable product for use within the loop. And then we are issuing a product card. So this div class from here to here defines a 4-column width grid on large screen and a 2-column width grid on medium screens. It adds margin below each card MB-3 and then TATT-source. This is actually product.image if we will define any image. Then price shows the product's price with $sign. View product button as well. So here, this one here, this line dynamically generates the URL for the product's detail page. We have also added in this as well with this link view product. Once we will click this view product, we will be able to see that product as well. And then this section TLs executes if the product's variable is empty or not passed. Message, we will also see a message in that case, displays a message indicating no discounted products are available. And then styling we have provided centers the message across the full width of the grid. And then these are all the closing tags. So in this template is a dynamic and user-friendly design for displaying discounted products. It uses Odoo's standard layout for consistency, conditional logic to handle cases with and without products, loops to render each product dynamically. Okay, so that's it, I guess. Let me again check. So this is a module discount products. In that module, we have created 2 files, this init and manifest. So in init, we have referenced models and controllers, which both we are using. And manifest, this is our manifest file. So what we call it here, Odooistic website. Okay. We will be using website underscore sale. And then in models, we have created product template and we have added this view as well. Then we have added in controller a file, the code, and also on controller we have added a website menu as well. And then we have also added a custom template as well. Okay guys, so what is the next step? You again need to restart your Odoo service and you need to go in the front end and make sure that your developer mode is on. If it's on, you can click on apps. One more thing I have added in my code, as you can see that I have also added a new folder which is called static. In static, I have also added a description folder, and in description, I have added an icon for this module. So once we do all this, we need to click on update apps list. Once we do that, we can see one module which we have designed, which is called discounted products with the name. If you go in your manifest file, you can see this is the name which will appear. And as you can see in learn more, module info, you can see add discount. This is the description of that module, category, technical name, license, and latest version. And we click on activate. Once we click activate, in background, it is installing the module. As you can see in here, it is loading the module, all the code and files we have designed, and it has been installed. Once it has been installed, you need to go in sales and then products. And then when you go in product, you click a product and then go in sales. Here you can see discount. And as a default, you can see 0.00 here. So just do anything, like 10% we added in this product. We add another product, which is draw. We are very happy today. We also want to add some discount here, 12%. And we also add another individual workspace, which we add 10% here as well. Right. So now the page, the route which we have designed, /shops/discount, in that route, when we will go, we need to see only 3 products, because we have not defined discount on any other product. We have only defined 3 products discount. So first we go back in sales, and then here first we start with home. Okay, if you see, because home page we have not defined, so as you can see, this is discounted products here. There are 2 discounted products. Okay, maybe it's still in the cache, but let's click one by one. Oh, as you can see, this is beautifully rendering our template which we have defined. And as you can see, just 3 products we have set up in backend. We have applied discount, so only those discounted products can be visible in our custom template. Let me just click on the second one. Yeah, I think somehow it's showing two times, but I don't know, maybe it's still in the cache because I also installed my module before. But anyway, just that's not the point. The point is that how we can do this work and how we can render a custom template in front end using inherited controller class. And if you want to click this page, view product, you can see that in front end as well. And that is a proper website template which is rendering now. Drawer as well with picture, and view product individual workspace as well. So this is how you can do it, guys. Okay, and that wraps up tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to create a custom discounted products page in Odoo. We covered everything step by step, from inheriting the controller, customizing the product model, and designing a dynamic template, to integrating everything with a clean menu structure. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo development tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.